Diapers. Diapers are one of the things that every new parent needs consistently over the course of a few years. Consequently, the cost can really add up in no time. Free diapers from Target are the solution. First, you'll need to start a Target baby registry. Can't beat that. Dunkin' Donuts coffee. America runs on Dunkin' Donuts, and now you can too. DD Perks is the Dunkin' loyalty program, and after you enroll, you can get free coffee on not one, but 3 different occasions. Enjoy a gratis cup of Joe when you sign up for DD Perks on your birthday, and after you've accumulated 200 points. The store sometimes offers other ways to get free coffee. Just play some in-store games or visit on National Coffee Day. Or Dunkin' Donuts, the best Dunkin' Donuts coffee beans to brew at home, 22 of 89. The best fast food chains, 19 of 246. The best American restaurant chains. Granola Bars. Granola bars are the favorite snacks of hipsters and grandmas alike. Health-conscious brand Kind has been making yummy bars that don't break the bank. Their free granola bar offer isn't a freebie for you, but a free gift you give to someone else. Consider it a thank you gift for a person you appreciate at no cost to you. Stevia. Stevia is an all-natural sugar substitute that is processed by the body in a different way than traditional sugars. It's excellent for diabetics and those watching their intake of sweets. Splenda is an industry leader for alternative sweeteners, and now they are jumping on the stevia craze. Simply fill out a form to receive a free box of stevia packets. Ice cream. What else needs to be said about free ice cream? Is it a gift straight from the gods, or what? Marble slab makes sweet, mouth-watering ice cream delicacies that will satisfy even the most discriminating sweet tooth. When you sign up for their Slab Happy Rewards program, you automatically get free ice cream, as well as several other perks. Just download the app to get started. Online books. BookBub keeps you in the loop with their curated list of free and low-cost e-books. When you sign up, you will receive daily emails to your inbox featuring the day's finds on free or drastically marked down electronic books. Plus, options are available for iBooks, Kindle, Nook, and other e-readers. Emergen-C. You no longer need to feel helpless when you sense a cold coming on. Emergen-C vitamin drink mixes give you a hearty dose of vitamins and nutrients that help nip cold symptoms in the bud. To give Emergen-C a try, complete a quick online form. The company will send you a complimentary packet of their delicious and healthy drink mix. 7th generation products. Whether you need laundry detergent or all-purpose cleaners, 7th generation has you covered. This environmentally conscious company has been at the forefront of the green movement for a long time, giving consumers accessible and affordable natural options for household cleaning products. When you sign up for their Generation Good community support program, you'll get free samples and have the opportunity to test new products at no cost. 7th generation also offers a free sample box of baby products, but this offer is only be available to certain Generation Good members. You must take a qualifying survey first. Redbox Movies. For those who haven't totally given into online streaming services, companies like Redbox make it fast, affordable, and super convenient to pick up and drop off DVD movies. Enroll in the Redbox Text Club, and you'll start receiving unbeatable offers right away. One of those offers is a free movie rental. There are also various coupons and promo codes that can get you free flicks from Redbox. Sephora Makeup. When it comes to makeup, Sephora is the ultimate retailer. Now, you can see if Sephora is right for you when you sign up for their Beauty Insider Club. You will get a free gift on your birthday, but if you see something else that piques your interest, you can always ask for a free sample. Sephora loves to introduce customers to new products, so don't be shy about requesting freebies. Godiva Chocolates. Enrolling in the Godiva Rewards Club will save you money on purchases and give you access to exclusive products and offers. Oh, and you get free chocolate every month at participating locations. Just go to the Godiva website and enter your information. It's that easy. First aid kit. Because natural disasters are becoming more and more commonplace, it's always a wise idea to have a stock of emergency supplies. A good first aid kit should be at the heart of any emergency preparedness planning. And now you can get one for free. Florida Hospital just asks for your basic contact information, and they'll send you a first aid kit at no cost to you. A hospital invested in keeping you and your family safe and healthy is a rare and mystical occurrence.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.